Finally, after 2 years of the transition period, Apple is here with their own series of chips. We have the new M1 series, which is a direct competitor to the I series from the Intel. We have the M1, which is the regular M1 is an alternative to i3. We have the M1 Pro, which is an alternative to i5, and we have the M1 Max, which can be considered the alternative for M1 Max. Hello everyone, my name is Ayush and welcome back to Tech Supplement, where we bring to you the daily dose of technology. So today I have with me the 16-inch MacBook Pro. I just received it some time back and I'm going to unbox it, and we'll be bringing the review video soon, so stay tuned with Tech Supplement. So here I have the new MacBook Pro. It feels a little heavy, just like the previous 16-inch MacBook Pro. Okay, so it's mentioned behind that it's 16 gigs unified memory and has 1 terabyte of storage. And we'll just get started with the unboxing. Here you get the MacBook itself. I ordered the space gray version. It kind of feels pretty different. It is actually a little different. I'll just bring in my other 16-inch MacBook Pro, the 2019 version. Yeah, so I was right. So this is kind of lighter. This is the 16-inch, 32 gigs. And this one, this feels pretty different. I think Apple did not discuss that there is even a design change. So there is certainly some design elements that are different in here. This is more kind of tile base, a little bit rounded on the sides, but it's a little bit like pretty flat surfaces. Okay. And let's see what all do we get inside the box. The standard design by Apple in California with the new MacBook Pro's description about the keys and all. Normal guide. And then I think these would be the stickers. Oh, so because it's a space gray version, they gave us like black colored ones and not the white ones, regular ones. Okay, I'll just remove these for now. And what do you get? You get a charger, which is I think 140 watts, which is like super fast. And you get the MagSafe cable back. It's USB-C to MagSafe, I wish. So I'll just open it actually, just to show you guys. So this is basically the MagSafe to USB-C cable that the new MacBook has. I don't know if it can be seen on the camera. It has a different finish as compared to the regular wire. So it has that metallic skull candy or like that earphones kind of finish as compared to the regular Apple wire for the regular MacBook Pro. Now that we are done with the unboxing of the new MacBook Pro, let us look at the ports that are available on this laptop. On first side, you get a MagSafe port, 2 Thunderbolt 4 based USB-C ports and a high impedance 3.5mm jack. On the other side, you get an SD card reader,
a Thunderbolt 4 based USB-C slot and a full HDMI slot, so you don't need to add any external dongle with you.
Now that we are done with the laptop and the ports, let us do our initial setup for the new MacBook. Okay. Okay, here the display is like super good. I can't even tell you how better it is as compared to my 16-inch MacBook, the other MacBook, but it's super good. So it's saying, I think, hello in different languages. We click on the next button, then we select the language that we need to, and I've chosen English. Okay, now it's asking for the country, so I'll just see if I could. So keyboard also feels a little bit same that the existing one, because yeah, of course they did not upgrade the keyboard. So click on continue. Accessibility, not now. Then connect to the Wi-Fi. Yeah, definitely I would do that. Okay, now it's coming data and privacy. Click continue. Migration assistant, not now. Then terms and conditions for Mac OS. I think these would be specific to Monterey, and I agree. And now I've put in the password. Continue. And it's gonna take its time now. Let's see how much time does it take. Next, if you want to enable location services, yeah, I would. Continue. Share analytics, not at all. Continue. Weekly reports, screen time, waste of time, not at all useful. Ask Siri, yeah, sure. I would just choose any random.
I'm Siri. Choose the voice you'd like me to use. You can change it later in system preferences.
Okay, this is good for me. Then continue with saying, hey Siri, I'll set up hey Siri later. Improve dictation with sharing record is no. Use the Touch ID. I would set up my Touch ID later on, or let me do it. Yeah. Let's see how is the process in the new MacBook. Continue for now. I would keep it. It's asking for the look. I would have it on auto. So this was the new MacBook Pro, guys. This is the 16 gigs model with 1 terabyte of storage, and this is the M1 Pro and not the M1 Max. I hope you liked it and found it useful. Please subscribe to my channel if you like the video.